throughout the state.
The demand for inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India and the implementation of the inner line permit in the state of Meghalaya is growing louder as the Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement HANM today held a sit-in demonstration at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi demanding the central government to fulfill the demands of the people of the state. Addressing hundreds of HANM members, President Lamprang Kharbani said the sit-in demonstration is to put pressure on the government of India for inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages to the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. He also said that the organization also demanded the government to implement the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act of 1873 and also to resolve the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. The Joint Action Committee